Mdex is losing its position and as of now stands firm on the foothold of number 245 with a market cap of $211,013,439.36. It has a circling supply of 866,292,381 Mdex coins. Since it is somewhat new, it is as yet not getting the market revenue as expected. Mdex is another decentralized exchanging convention. It was sent off in 2021 that works on the idea of asset pools, imparting a few similitudes to standard DEX. It separates itself from contenders by utilizing a double-chain model. This is on both the Ethereum organization and the HECO, allowing it admittance to the liquidity of the Ethereum environment. Mdex value figure, market opinion. Mdex is contrasted in Uniswap. Uniswap is likewise like other cryptos with a decentralized design. Uniswap depends on Ethereum empowering clients to exchange tokens utilizing brilliant agreements. The trading of this kind works with clients to trade the tokens without an outsider or some record keeping. Clients likewise give liquidity to such a market by weighty market interest. What makes Mdex extraordinary is its programmed market producer highlight. They likewise plan to expand their client base by giving a superior client experience and adding various resources for the trade. They likewise plan to offer more easy-to-use models and fortify their local area and manage its administration. As indicated by the designer's arrangements, the trade will turn into a center point for shifting resources, in any event, offering them from different chains. The supported liquidity of Mdex will end up being significant while pushing ahead. The trade is supposed to incorporate more administrations, for example, choices contracts, monetary loaning, protection, prospects contracts, and other decentralized administrations. As more development happens, the possibilities of Mdex turning into a huge player in the crypto market is a distinct chance. We should investigate a portion of the business specialists' perspectives on Mdex cost figure. In the event that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns, Mdex can be a terrible, high-risk one-year speculation choice according to our Mdex estimate. Mdex cost today rises to 23 cents, yet your ongoing venture might be downgraded from now on. As per the Mdex estimate, in 2022, the Mdex cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 28 cents. The normal lease cost of Mdex toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be 27 cents. In addition, the Mdex worth can arrive at the most exorbitant cost degree of 33 cents. Our drawn-out Mdex cost expectation for 2022 is bullish. The cost of Mdex has an immense chance of overwhelming its ongoing ATH of $10.11 this year according to our cost expectation estimate framework. As per our cost conjecture, in 2022, the Mdex cost is supposed to arrive at any rate value level of $5.62. The Mdex cost can arrive at a most extreme cost of $6.39, with the typical value around its obstruction level of $6.21. Mdex specialized examination. The ongoing cost of Mdex is exceptionally low from its high in February 2021. The record-breaking exorbitant cost of $10.06 was arrived at in no less than 7 days with no obstruction. The volume cost activity is obviously noticeable in the Mdex cost outline. Anything that caused the high unpredictability has lost it, and the suggested instability presently is genuinely steady in business sectors. For the final part of 2021, the cost of Mdex kept on moving sideways in a direct style. The principal half of the year obviously portrays a downtrend from its pinnacle of $10 esteem. The general strength record hit oversold conditions in September and, for the present moment, the opposition level is at $54 with the possibilities hitting that line expanding consistently. The sideways example might go on for quite a while. Yet the Mdex cost gauge framework says that this probably won't go on for since a long time ago there is a high chance of the cost of Mdex stirring things up around town levels in 2 months or less. On the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers continue their selling and lose confidence in the worth of Mdex crypto, the Mdex cost could plunge to the help levels according to digital currency expectation. Assuming that is the situation, utilizing swing exchanging procedures, one can attempt to acquire section into the Mdex market over the solidification region that structures over the obstruction level. Doing as such, one can utilize choices to exploit the low suggested unpredictability to purchase out of the cash choices and create gains involving the expansion and inferred unpredictability. The delta is probably going to increment over this level. Assuming that ideal case happens, one can likewise attempt to exploit the RSI to stand firm on their footings at the greatest cost degree of Mdex crypto till the overbought condition is coordinated. The bullish Mdex value forecast can go from 34 cents to 40 cents inside the scope of a half year. The probability of breaking the high is great since there is inclusion from the designers of the Mdex coin that upgrades and elements will be made soon. Moreover, these improvements inside the Mdex environment could push the coin to a superior future according to the verifiable information and our MDX figure. From what we have noticed, the destruction from the highs of $10 didn't happen in view of the immense cost auction. Assuming the gathered volume is still high, the underlying financial backers might in any case hold the Mdex cost as long as possible. There is no critical volume-based sign that the conveyance has happened. Thus, for the present, most would agree that there is no negative feeling in MDX as per our Mdex cost expectation. Mdex value forecast 2022 to 2026. Utilizing RSI measurements, we feel that cost can go up to the cost of 50 cents up to the year 2026. This Mdex cost expectation for 2022 is hopeful as the undertaking improvement is probably going to start things off. However long the pattern go on in the positive heading, it can possibly visit the 48 cents territory before the year 2026 according to our Mdex gauge. Mdex value forecast 2022. As per general data for the ventures, key and specialized examination ought to be finished in the event that one intends to put resources into Mdex as long as possible. Thus, merchants ought to do their own examination, dissect the pattern in markets and take venture exhortation from their monetary council prior to putting resources into Mdex for their future expectations information to procure a decent return. Mdex cost could reach 34 cents in the year 2022. Mdex value expectation 2023. The Mdex value expectation depends on boundaries. For example, long-haul trendline with informational collections backing and prescient demonstrating methods. It is encouraged to remain refreshed with cryptographic forms of money news, different figures, and unofficial laws. It is anticipated that the Mdex cost will reach 38 cents in the year 2023. Mdex value forecast 2024. According to the Mdex cost forecast, the cost of Mdex could reach 43 cents in the year 2024. By and large, financial backer opinion and digital money economic situations will figure out what really occurs with Mdex before long. Mdex value expectation 2025. In light of the verifiable information and Mdex cost figure, a decent expansion in cost should have been visible. Mdex cost is supposed to be around 47 cents in the year 2025. Mdex value expectation 2026. As per the Mdex cost expectation, the cost of Mdex could cross 46 cents in the year 2026. With the assistance of legitimate review and past information, it will get to know regardless of whether to put resources into this coin. Is Mdex solid? Indeed, MDX is a solid crypto as it showed off itself abilities as a quick and secure digital money. It is adaptable, as well as it tends to be traded out for other cryptos. Other cryptographic forms of money don't be guaranteed to give this trading of coins. Is Mdex a wise speculation for 2022? At the point when posed the inquiry in the event that Mdex is a wise speculation, it is critical to consider what one's gamble craving. Taking into account the unstable idea of crypto coins, it probably won't be appropriate for certain people. All things considered, Mdex cost could show a ton of possibilities which might be reflected later on results. It is